to capture Taiwan again because
And if you don't want the chess number 11,
gentlemen, he was believed that it's a part of India. This is a part, sorry, it's a part of China. So he was invading his own place for he was on.
And I think
yeah, chess number 14, but not fully, as 11th chess number mentioned that China is always threatening for Taiwan. But we have never seen any kind of actions that had been taken by the China. But if we see that Ukraine-Russia war, Russia has taken a step and just captured the Ukraine. You can see the war is going on right now. Let me complete, gentlemen. And like China haven't did anything like the same, but after capturing the Taiwan, China will definitely go for the Arunachal Pradesh, and that will be a big threat to the India as well.
I am disagreeing with number 7 because after 1962 war, China has never led a war with any country, so he is not ready to war, but he wants to provide a distraction between all the countries as attacking Taiwan. So I think that China cannot be the reason of World War III, and I think the Russia.
And when we talk about North Korea, it is a very notorious country when it comes to missile launching system. They have nuclear power. They always make new kind of missile, subsonic missile, cruiser missile, or hypersonic missile, and that could be a threat to world also because there is not a proper democracy. There is a dictator named Kim Jong Un who has not always.
Chess number 11 because as we know, North Korea is a military power and not as big as USA, which is supporting South Korea. Also, we should know that to finance the war, you should have the war chest. Also, you should have the foreign investment in a country which Russia has.
I agree complete my point, chess number 6. I am partially agree with you, chess number 70. That on adding that North Korea is also in main cause of World War III because China is indirectly helping to the North Korea because they are part of. He was the person who was supplying him the nuclear weapons.
Now, if you see the past, China invaded Tibet. It has captured. Tibetan refugees are taking shelter in India from a long time, and now it's threatening. It's claiming the South China Sea also, and now it's not allowing any country to pass from the international waters. It is claiming it's over, and now we know it's full of resources. That's the reason, but it is like infusing America. If we infuse America, America we know will take action against China, and it will be the cause of World War II.
On adding that China is adding that North Korea to give supply. It's a victory of China to invade its own strategy and own place for the World War III. It's a victory of China to add more places and more countries like North Korea and Pakistan earlier.
Totally agree with chess number 14, and I want to add one more point that chess number 70 that he said that America has America has big defense budget or their big army, but I think to propagate a world war, there is no need to have a big army. Just a big missile which can be launched at any country, and every country will come into war, and it could easily become a world war.
I agree.
China is occupying so many spaces. China has made the string of pearls and now the CPEC, and China is continuously occupying the more spaces, and now it's growing its military and developing its weapons and showing the weapons to the world, and now claiming this South China Sea, and now designing this.
If we have the advanced technology of weapons, so we have to be focused on the military also. Like if we don't have the labor or we don't have the manpower, we cannot just influence that weapons which we have. And like if we talk about the Russia have both the military power and as well as the advanced weapon system, because as you can see, India is also importing that system to just have a great battle with any kind of country. And if we talk about as chess number 14 mentioned the point that China is indirectly just giving a financial help to another country, but we don't have any fact and we don't have any examples related to that.
And chess number 6 also propagate that China has an expansionism theory. They always enhance their land. I think that could not be a reason to World War III because if you talk about China, they go to different countries, they go for the debt trap, they take their land, but they never going to propagate a war because they know that India is also able to stand that they can also start a war and they can.
But
Ukraine
right now.
You had negated your point, I think.
Yeah.
So Russia invaded Ukraine. Why it invaded Ukraine? Because Ukraine was opposing Russia. So now China is covering India from String of Pearls and now CPEC. So what do you think? India will not again oppose China? If India will oppose, then the supporters of India will help India, and then China will.
Gentlemen, first of all, we need to understand why
This
there
is
is a
a
condition. Gentlemen, first of all, we need to understand why there is a condition of the war. If any war is happening, there might be a reason for it. If there is a scarcity of anything, like if it's scarcity of land, scarcity of resources, and scarcity of something happens or leads to a war. So we need to understand why Russia, China, and India, they are just fighting for the World War III. Because they don't have any kind of scarcity, but if they see that there has been any kind of scarcity, they will develop themselves because they have the land power, they have the financial, they have the good type of.
Totally agree with customer servant. And why I'm saying that China cannot start a war, that they know that there is a quad. They know there are two countries, strong countries, India and Japan, which can peace their relation if they start a war. And in quad we have USA, we have Australia, we have India and Japan. I think there is no reason that China can start a war.
Yeah,
because
because
they know
that's
that
the
they are
point.
also a military power.
On adding point of, let me complete chess number 16. On adding point of chess number 11, that Russia is not going for directly for World War III. He was capturing he was going on for meetings like recently he was going for Winter Olympics. There he conquered 32 countries where Russia was also there. They signed with the 32 countries that they signed for that Taiwan was a part of China, as China said that Ukraine is a part of Russia. See that, so China is playing strategically, not going for that.
Yes, that is the reason why Russia is more better than China. Because China is also focusing on their economy. They know that they are not going to start a war just to destroy their economy. But when we talk about Russia, they always focus on their defense budget. They always focus on making new missiles, making strong their navy and army. And they started a war. But China is not. China has started a war.
Autocratic from the essential of the three things. It is trying to become autocratic and the company also.
Russia has businesses to transport missiles. Russia earns a lot from selling these missiles and defense expos. So this is a part of Russia. But if we think from the past, when after World War I, Germany was sanctioned so much and it was very weak. But again it rise with Hitler, and again Germany created so much havoc in the world with World War II. So how could you expect that China cannot? China can also. Russia did not expect it that its economy will drown. All the countries take
And
measures,
China is also
but this is a natural thing. To defend ourselves, any country will.
I am disagreeing with chess number 6. That was a historical period, and nowadays we can see there is a very kind of improvement. Nowadays we have seen in the India, China, as well as in the Russia. At that time, the countries doesn't have that kind of weapons, that kind of advancement, that kind of economy. But then nowadays we can present time, we can see that there is a huge economy we have. Let me complete, gentlemen. If we talk about it, there is a trillion kind of economies we have in India and in China as well as in USA. So that was the historical period. So this time we have the advancement of the thing, and there will be no.
I agree with chess number 7 as chess number 11 said that what the organizations are organized together as in India and Japan, US and the Australia, the countries that combined as coordinations. So they are comparing the China to protect the South China Sea from China. So I think
I slightly agree with Chess number 16 because you know what itself is that it is not a military alliance but an economic alliance. So if China attacks Taiwan, it does not say that it will also help Taiwan.
On adding chess number 7, let me complete chess number 10.
I think
Let me complete my point, sir. On adding
Russia
China or Russia, no one will go for Korea. No one go for a direct World War III because as we saw the result of World War II, that drawn a nuclear bomb on Japan and this is World War II. So now if we have the two main alliances are there, the one was NATO and the other was WTO, which was of Russia and China was a part of it, to supporting it. So no one going for direct World War III because their two parts always have the nuclear weapon, so they can destroy all over the world if they go for the World War.
Why is company and use that Russia can propose forgot of World War III, because that's not just because Russia invade the Ukraine. Russia is also threatening the Nordic countries. They are threatening a country named Finland, who is always on the top rank when it comes to happiness, when it comes to giving freedom to their citizens. If a country can destroy a happiest country in this world, they can start a
I
world war.
slightly disagree with
That is
Chester
the-
Pilot because the point of view you are coming from is the Western point of view, not the Asia point of view. In the UN, only the Western, most of the Western countries supported the US resolution which condemned the Russia war, and most of the Asian countries abstained from the voting. That's what not all of the countries agree with you. Because
Now I have to say, if it just as just number 7 has quoted, we have what we can derive from history, but a person is not considered to be intelligent if he doesn't learn from history. So it is very important to take lessons. Now China is invading, so expanding itself so much and showing so much aggression. It can get worse, and it can break into World War III as well if it attacks Taiwan. Because India supports Taiwan and China claims it as its own part.
As you said, as he said that a country learn from their past. That is the reason why China is not going to start World War III. Because in World War III, you know that there was a Nanking rape massacre from the Japanese army to the China. They know that it should be fed to their country and it will destroy the China. And they are not going to start a war.